Before buying a French press, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Vekin French Press. Let's kick things off with the Vekin French Press coffee maker. Priced at $24.99, this one caught my eye with its sleek dark pewter design and the promise of no plastic touching your coffee. If you want a pure brewing experience, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Made with 304 stainless steel and food-grade silicone, the Vekin French Press ensures that there are no odors or plastic particles in your coffee. Its thick borosilicate glass can withstand thermal shocks up to 360 degrees F, so you can brew your hot coffee or cold brew without worrying about cracks. The 4-layer stainless steel filter traps tiny coffee particles, giving you a smooth, sludge-free cup. With a solid rating of 4.6 stars from over 17,800 reviews, it's clearly loved by many. Now, some people complained about the glass breaking easily if dropped. Here's the thing though, as long as you handle it with care, it should serve you well. It's still a top choice for anyone who loves a clean, rich coffee experience. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a stylish yet effective French press, especially if you appreciate the importance of plastic-free brewing. Skip this one if you need something ultra-durable for rough outdoor use, but honestly, the value for money here is fantastic. Now, if the glass concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, QUQIYSO Coffee Maker. Next up is the QUQIYSO Coffee Maker, which is priced at $20.99. The copper finish really stands out, but what truly caught my attention is its focus on filtering quality. If you want a reliable brew without the hassle, this one's definitely worth your consideration. So why is this important? This means it effectively sifts out big coffee grounds and tiny particles, giving you a cleaner taste. You can see the foam forming, which is great for spotting freshness. This beauty has a stellar rating of 4.6 stars from over 10,800 reviews, showing that many coffee lovers appreciate its performance. However, some users mention that the lid can be tricky to clean. Here's the thing, it's still a minor issue compared to the overall quality of coffee you get. If you can manage a bit of extra care, you'll enjoy every cup. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting with different beverages from tea to hot chocolate. Skip this if you're looking for something that requires zero maintenance, but considering its versatility, it's still a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who focus on durability. Product number 3, Bottom Chambered French Press. Now let's talk about the Bottom Chambered French Press, priced at $39.69. Made in Portugal, its design is classic and attractive, but what really piqued my interest was its high-heat borosilicate glass. If you want something that's both functional and visually appealing, this one's a great option to consider. The polished stainless steel frame not only adds to its aesthetic, but also provides durability. With over 28,600 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clearly a favorite among coffee enthusiasts. Plus, the easy-to-clean design means you won't dread post-brew cleanup. Now, some users pointed out that it's not suitable for stovetop use. Here's the thing, if you're brewing coffee the traditional way, that shouldn't be a deal-breaker. It remains an excellent choice for those who appreciate taste and elegance. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish coffee maker that performs well. Skip this if you need a multi-use appliance, but honestly, for pure coffee lovers, it's worth the price. Now, if you want something a bit more insulated, the next product really shines in that category. Product number 4, Sakura French Press. Coming in next is the Sakura French Press Coffee Maker, which goes for $25.69. The stainless steel design immediately caught my eye, but what made me really excited was its insulation feature. If you're looking to keep your coffee hot longer, this one is definitely worth checking out. The Sakura is made from high-quality 304 stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. Its 3-layered filtration system traps the finest coffee grounds, which means you get a rich, full-bodied flavor every time. With a 4.7-star rating from over 35,800 reviews, it's clear that this one is doing something right. Plus, all parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Now, some people noted that the spout could drip if not poured carefully. Here's the thing though, with a little practice, you can master it, and the taste makes it all worthwhile. This is perfect for you if you prioritize keeping your coffee hot for extended periods. Skip this if you want something lightweight for travel, but honestly, it's a great value for coffee lovers who enjoy their drinks hot. Now, if you're looking for something with a unique design, the last product on our list might just catch your eye. Product number 5, Utopia Kitchen French Press. Last but not least, we have the Utopia Kitchen French Press, also priced at $24.99. I was drawn to its double-wall insulation and sleek stainless steel look. If you're after something that combines functionality with style, this is a must-see. The double-walled design keeps your coffee hot without burning your hands, which is a win for safety and comfort. With a solid rating of 4.6 stars from over 7,500 reviews, it's clearly appreciated by many. Its easy care features make it user-friendly, and it's a great gift option too. However, some users mention that it can be a bit heavier compared to glass models. Here's the thing, if you don't mind a little extra weight for better insulation, it's definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a well-made press that retains heat and looks good on your counter. Skip this if you're looking for something ultralight for camping, but considering everything it offers, it's a fantastic deal. To wrap it all up, we've covered 5 fantastic options. The Veckin for pure brewing, QUQIYSO for versatility, Bottom for style, Secura for insulation, and Utopia Kitchen for a well-rounded experience. Each one offers unique features that cater to different coffee lovers' needs. To wrap it all up, we've covered 5 fantastic options. The Veckin for pure brewing, QUQIYSO for versatility, Bottom for style, Secura for insulation, and Utopia Kitchen for a well-rounded experience. Each one offers unique features that cater to different coffee lovers' needs. No matter which one you choose, you're one step closer to brewing the perfect cup of coffee.